This is my most awesome giveaway on my channel. Yes, I'm giving away a Dji Osmo action camera to one of you guys. And you heard it right, I am giving away this great true action camera powerhouse. Before jumping in on the giveaway, I will remember that I made a lot of useful videos using the Dji Osmo action, like the full in-depth review, the 5 tips for the Dji Osmo action, and a lot more videos to come, and you can find all of them in the link in the description. There is also a new dedicated Facebook group for new Dji Osmo action adopters, and the link will be also in the description. First of all, I would like to thank you, all of you guys, for the really great support that you are giving to me, and also for the great community that we have built up around my channel. To enter the giveaway, you will just have to follow some simple steps. Follow the link in the description and complete as many entries possible to level the chance to win the Dji Osmo action. The mandatory actions are subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. The giveaway ends in 10 days, June the 2nd. After that, I will announce the giveaway winner of the Dji Osmo action camera on my YouTube community tab and also on Instagram with a dedicated post and story. So don't miss to follow my Instagram and my Instagram stories. The giveaway is open worldwide. Once again, thanks for the follow and awesome support. I wish you all great luck.